Namaskar, Khushru Bhutia. Myself, Jivin Dr. Pramila Kajla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today, our topic is menopause. Climacteric and menopause. Climacteric is the period in all when reproductive system undergo changes due to decreased secretion of sex hormone, estrogen and progesterone. It occurs at the age of 45 to 55. In females, climacteric is accompanied by menopause. Menopause is defined as period when permanent cessation of menstruation takes place. Normally, it occurs at age of 45 to 55 years. In some women, menstruation stops suddenly. In others, menstruation flow decreases gradually during every cycle and finally it stops. Sometimes irregular menstruation occur with lightening or shortening of period with less or more flow. Early menopause may cause because of surgical removal of ovaries, ovariectomy, or uterus hysterectomy as a part of treatment for abnormal menstruation. Abnormal menstruation, usually female with short menstrual cycle attain menopause earlier than the female with longer cycle. Cigarette smoking causes earlier onset of menopause. Cause for menopause. Due to advancement of age, the atrophy of ovaries occur. It leads to cessation of menstrual cycle, causing menopause. Throughout a woman's sexual life, about 450 of primordial follicles grow into Graafian follicles and ovulate, while thousands of follicles degenerate. At the age of 45 years, only few primordial follicles remain in ovary to be stimulated by FSH and LH. Now the production of estrogen by ovarian decrease due to decrease in number of primordial follicles. When estrogen secretion become almost zero, FSH and LH are continuously secreted. When all the primordial follicles are atrophied, estrogen secretion stops completely. Changes during menopause, postmenopausal syndrome. Postmenopausal syndrome is a group of symptoms that appear in women immediately after menopause. It is characterized by certain physical, physiological, and physiological changes. The symptoms start appearing soon after the ovaries stop functioning. Cause. Major cause for symptom is a lack of estrogen and progesterone. Symptom may persist till the body get acclimatized to the absence of estrogen and progesterone. Symptom don't appear in all women. Some women develop mild symptom and some women develop severe symptom which last for few months to few years. Symptom of postmenopausal syndrome: hot flashes characterized by extreme flushing of skin. Hot flashes start with discomfort in the abdomen and chill, followed by feeling of heat spreading towards the head. Then the face becomes red, followed by sweating and exhaustion. Vasomotor instability: wide fluctuation in blood pressure may be present. Blood pressure increase suddenly and it come back to normal automatically. Fatigue, nervousness, emotional outbursts like crying, anger, mental depression, insomnia, palpitation, vertigo, headache, numbness, urinary disturbance such as increased frequency of micturition, long-term effect of estrogen such as osteoporosis and atherosclerosis. Osteoporosis is the bone disease resulting in reduction in bone mass and the bone becomes susceptible for fracture. Atherosclerosis is the condition characterized by deposition of cholesterol on wall of blood vessels. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.